Let's make falafel. To an airtight container, filled it up for about 2 to 3 inches of water. With a little bit of water, just to get a little bit of that rind out. Now I'm going to shake them well, get all the water out. Give it a good shake. Breaking my garlic. Yes, I'm using my guitar pedal. I put the onion into this little contraption. I like it a lot. I'll just do it a couple times. Look, I love this. So much easier. Let's start with the cilantro, the curly parsley bunch first. What I do is I just go like so, taking off the leaves without so much of the branches. Give it a good chop lightly because it's going to go in the food processor anyways. So it's already smaller pieces. So it goes there. Now we'll do the same thing to the cilantro. I like cilantro, some people don't like it, but I'll do the same process I did with the curly parsley. I just kind of skin off, I guess that's what you call it. I would skin off the parts. Then I made this. I will make it into a bunch. And this should do it. It's just for go in the food processor. So now I have mint, nice delicate mint. I'll just take some of the leaves off. I'll add some like this. I'll save some for garnishment. Also, finely chop. Not a requirement to be small. Bring it onto the bowl. Let's make falafel. First, I put into the food processor the chickpeas that have been soaked overnight. Actually, they've been soaking for 24 hours. Then I'll add the greens, the cilantro, the curly parsley, and the mint. Nicely. My half of a medium onion. Just like so. Get everything. I love this little contraption. Look how nice and size it became. Then I'll add my garlic. Finely chopped, about 4 or 5 cloves, depending on how you like it. I'll add to that cumim, a teaspoon. A teaspoon of harissa. Harissa is a North African seasoning. Very, very good. When I was in Morocco, I ate a lot of it with all the food. And then I put some Ethiopian seasoning. It's a 12-spice mix and it's called Berbere. Very, very good. To that I'll add also about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. The juice of 1 lime. Some people prefer lemon. I like lime. Squeeze it nice and tight there. And I'll add about a tablespoon of garbanzo. And you can use any flour that you like. But I like using garbanzo flour. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Very important, do not forget. Last time I made falafel, I forgot to add the baking soda. I do add a little bit of olive oil just for taste. Get things going. A little bit of fresh pepper. And you're going to post-slate this. Till the mixture is nicely homogeneous. I'll wait to mix a little bit also with whatever is on the side, making sure there's no big pieces of chickpeas of the greens. I'm make falafel about once a month, so I kind of have my tricks to it and how I like the flavor to be. That should do it. Now I will put this in a container, and there, baby. An hour, I'm going to start making the falafels. I have the heat, the temperature on high. I need to reach 350 degrees at least. And I have a candy thermometer in my pot with grape seed oil. I find that works best with high temperature. I'm making them into patties because I have made pita bread, fresh pita bread, and I want to make it into falafel sandwiches. I use the ice cream scooper as to get the same amount. I do about 5 at a time. I'm gonna get a plate too.